Hello and welcome back to our series where I'm going to build 30 apps, and each of those apps I'm going to build in under 10 minutes for you. They're super simple to build using AI no code, AI coding apps, and these apps are going to be totally useful for you, and they're going to be very professional. So we are going to use certain tools, and all of these tools can be used for free, except for the second one, which I will point out. But the first tool we're going to use is called Promptables.pro. Promptables.pro is a AI coding sidekick. And what it does is it allows you to build detailed prompts. It allows you to do quality control on your app after it's built, along with many other things. It is a credit saver and a time saver, and I use it each and every day. Our second app is going to be called Greta. I made a mistake there. We will just go straight to it. And Greta is an AI no code or low code coding app. Now, Greta is paid. You have to pay for it, but there's so many other free to use AI coding apps out there. There's Lovable. You get 5 credits a day. There's Replit, there is Bolt, there is Firebase, there is Cursor. There's just so many out there. You can go out there, you can use them for free, and I'm going to show you how you will only really need to use 1 credit because we're using Promptables, and Promptables gives you such a good initial prompt that it will just build it out of the gate. Okay? So the next app we're going to use is GitHub. GitHub, if you are into AI coding, you need to learn GitHub. That's all there is to it. And for a database, if we decide to use one, we will use Supabase. And GitHub and Supabase, once again, are free. So let's go build some apps for free in under 10 minutes. Okay, so today's app is going to be a habit tracking calendar. Okay, and we're going to name it Habits. So I've actually already pre-built a simple prompt that I'm just going to plug in there. Let's see here. Okay. So, I pasted it in twice. Okay, so we're going to say the app name is Habits, and we're going to create a web app where users track habits on a monthly calendar. They can, they'll tap days to toggle between checkmark and X. They're going to support multiple habits, each with its own calendar tab. Save project is local storage, and I'm going to give you the link to use this app afterwards so you can go in and test it and track your own habits. I want simple input fields, modals, and categories by colors. Historical data only lasts a month, and apparently. And a month. And I have my bad. Last month. And this is for general productivity users, and we want to make the site visually engaging and web first. So this is Promptable Spark, and Promptable Spark is going to give us a detailed initial app or prompt to build our app with. And typically, a lot of times it'll, depending on your initial prompt, it will ask some questions, some clarifying questions. So if you just want to put a simple prompt like build me a timer, it's going to ask a bunch of questions, but if you can give a decent initial first prompt, it should just spit out a great initial prompt for you to put into your AI coding app. So look, we've already got it here. So it's talk about, it knows that the project name is habits. It knows our target audience. It talks about the dashboard, so it's going to tell us how to build it. The habit calendar interface, okay. It's going to add a habit modal. There's settings and management. The tech stack, so it's going to say what tech stack we want. It's given us some different colors to use, and key functionality requirements, and the experience flow, and other things. So now what I could do is I could upload this to GitHub, and then I could pull it, I could import it into here from GitHub. We usually would use GitHub if we are using our Canvas design doc and our Blueprint PRD docs. These are for more full stack apps, and you would upload those to GitHub. Then in one step you could just import from GitHub and put them in there. But we're not going to do that this time. We are just going to use this prompt. I'm just going to copy it. We are going to plunk it into Greta. And then we're going to let it do its thing. Say build. Okay? And we will just hang out and we'll wait for it to do its thing. All right, it looks like we have finished. And I just want to say, I hope that the sound is okay here. I am literally in the middle of a typhoon, and it is raining pretty hard here, but we should be okay. We've got the power of the internet, and we're good to go. So what do we have here? We can add a habit, okay? They want us to create our first habit. All right, so let's create our first habit. Let's say, what are we going to call it? We're going to say build 30, 10 minute apps a day. And you can do it because each of these only takes 10 minutes. And what category? Productivity, of course. I'm going to use purple for this one. Okay, let's create that habit. Okay, so it comes over to the calendar. And let's see, what days have we done it in? So we've got completed, missed, or no data. So let's say today, yesterday I did one. So let's say we did one yesterday. And today I'm going to do 30. And then let's say Monday. Okay, so we've got 3. And we've got our current streak is 2 days. So let's say if we did it 3 days, or let's say, what if we put an X there? Yeah, the X. Okay, and so we've got, let's say, 4 days completed out of it. Now, you know, it works. You could really tweak this if you wanted. And I'm going to shift forward a little bit. Just some minor tweaks to it, and let you take a look at what we got going on here when I deploy it. So I will deploy this and you can take a look. Okay, so we are deployed on Netlify. That's free as well. You know, you can deploy it on whatever AI coding app you want. So we'll create our first habit. Once again, you can see build 30 apps a day. Okay, this time we'll choose a different color. Let's choose orange and learning. Okay, we'll create that habit. We'll go ahead and click, say 3, and we'll say today as well. So we've got 5 there. Okay, so we've got a completion rate. We've got some of this stuff, monthly progress. So we want to see, can we build another habit on top of that? So let's say do YouTube video. Okay, now we'll put that under custom. See what we put that under custom. We'll make that one gray. We'll create that habit. So you can see we have them, and they are under local storage. So by rights, you should be able to come here to the, I'll put the link in the description, of course, and you should be able to use this. You can also, if you want, you could also prompt in that you want a user interface. So you could literally charge for this app, and that would only take another 5 minutes. It's truly amazing. You can build out your business in 15 minutes, go out there and market it and start making money. But once again, I owe this all to Promptables.pro. Promptables.pro is your AI coding sidekick that it makes everything so much easier and so much less expensive. And I use Greta. You can use whichever one you want, but I like Greta. So go out there, build your app, and just get started. You just need to get started, and everything's going to be great.